Hi guys, how is it going? First of all, I'm so sorry I couldn't upload any videos for the last 6 weeks due to personal reasons. You know what? Actually, you're all a wonderful GardenWorld family, so nothing personal here. The reason I couldn't do any videos was that my both parents tested COVID positive and got hospitalized. Mom went into very critical situation. It was extremely stressful for the last 6 weeks. By God's grace, parents are home and on the recovery mode now. So that was the reason for my absence. I hope you all remember we planted Babycorn earlier around March ending. I couldn't harvest it earlier. Usually Babycorn was supposed to harvest after a month. Here we are in June. I planted this Babycorn by prepping the bed with good organic soil and Biotone starter fertilizer. I used this Babycorn variety. I sprinkled the Biotone organic fertilizer, prepped the bed, and took the corn seeds, placed them spacing around 3 inches. I planted these around March ending, and these were 2 weeks old seedlings, and here are fully grown, around 2.5 months now. So as you can see, this is fully matured. You can see the full corn here instead of baby corn. To harvest the corn, basically if you bend the corn and twist it, it will come out easily from the plant. Look at this corn, isn't it so beautiful? I can see a baby corn on the other plant. Let me show it to you. You can see the silks, it's still in purple color. And look at all these crepe myrtles. These are all volunteer plants. I have to take these out from this bed and plant it somewhere else later. So this corn is not fully matured yet. As you can see the silks. I'm hoping this we can use as baby corn. Once I harvest all the corn, we'll see inside how it's looking. Corn is typically pollinated by the wind, having both male and female flowers on the same plant. The male flowers are tassels that forms on top of the plant, and the female are the silks. And the pollen from the tassels needs to land on these silks in order to create a good crop. Tassels emerge from the top of the plant, then open to disperse pollen on the silks, which emerge lower side of the plant from the immature corn ear. Once you see silks have emerged and the tassels have formed and opened, then simply by shaking the plants will improve the pollination. When I plant the actual corn, I'll show you that process. You can see the silk here, it's all brown. So this one is fully matured. Usually each plant gets anywhere between 2 to 3 corn. I think I have around 6 or 7 plants here. So maybe we may get around 12 or 14 corn. Some of them are still young, so I'll leave them for now. I'm almost done harvesting. Let me show you the tassels here in a minute. See, look at them on top of the plants. All these are tassels that usually forms on the top of the plant. So when it opens, simply by shaking the plant like this, that will fall on these silks. Let me show you the silk. That is the silk. So when you shake the plant like this, that pollen will land on those silks and that will form into a good corn. So you can improve the pollination by simply shaking the corn plants. That will yield to a good crop. Okay, let's count our corn. I'm so excited to see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total we got 11 corns. Corns? 11 corn. Look at this. We got, I think this is a good baby corn. Look at the silks. It's nice and fresh. This one is brown and matured, as you can see here. So this is fully grown corn. Let me open this and show it to you. That's the good way to know. By looking at the silks, we can identify the corn maturity levels. Look at this. I'm opening this one. This is how the baby corn should look inside without any kernels. So this is good to use as a baby corn. Let me open the other one. This is fully grown. Let us see. Maybe look at this. All the kernels formed inside. Look at them. Aren't they looking beautiful? They are looking like small pearls, isn't it? So this is fully grown. Usually this variety we are supposed to harvest as baby corn. I'm not sure how the fully grown corn tastes like. Once I taste it, I'll let you know, guys. So this is my corn harvest. Isn't it looking beautiful? I wanted to quickly show you my fig tree here. It's fully loaded with fruit. As you can see here, look at all the fruit. Look at all this, guys. Look at all the fruit here. This is I think 3-year-old plant, and all these figs turn into much bigger size with a nice purple color, and these are very sweet in taste. Very nice juicy figs. With the recent heavy rains, the tree got bent and all the branches have fallen. Maybe I need to give some support to this plant, to this tree. Look at all the figs. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If anyone watching our channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family so that we can build our gorgeous Garden World community. Thank you so much for watching. Sending lots of love, good health and good vibes. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Look at our corn. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm super happy with this harvest. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now.